Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. It's your girl Pilar back at it again, and in today's video you guys will be seeing this hairstyle and how I did this hairstyle. It's very cute and simple, and yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys tried this hairstyle out. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn the post notification on so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. So some water, eco gel. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing my edges, so yeah. Some hair ties, comb brushes, edge brush, rubber bands, and the products that I'll be applying on my hair, putting it on my hair. Basically, you're gonna part your hair like a half up, half down. Okay, so now it's like basically a half up, half down. Ooh, you're gonna part your hair in the middle, okay? You're gonna grab your spray bottle and spray some water. Grab you some gel. So now you tie your hair however you want it to be. So yeah. Who cares if you have a big forehead, small forehead, like... Okay, so now what you're going to be doing, you're going to be braiding. And if you know how to braid, I'm going to show you guys how to braid because I know there's people that do not know how to braid. So when braiding, make sure you have 3 strands of hair. So you have one in the middle, one on left and one on right. The right one, you put it under here and you grab it with your middle finger and you pull it to the other side. So it's basically going like that. Pull it like that. So you grab this. And then you do the same thing. Alright guys, so I plan to do a voiceover, so I'm just spraying water on my hair. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be diffusing my hair just so it can dry quicker because I don't like how it looks wet. So I'm going to be diffusing my hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. You already know. Make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Okay, so apparently I can't find the part where I said bye, but thank you guys for watching today's video. Appreciate it. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.